Imagine waking up on a mountain in your pajamas with no memory of how you got there. Welcome to the mysterious world of sleepwalking. Today, we dive deep into the night to uncover the most bizarre sleepwalking incidents ever recorded. Stay tuned as we reveal stories that blur the line between reality and dreams. From ancient myths to modern mysteries, sleepwalking has puzzled scientists and storytellers alike. But what drives a person to roam the night, unaware? Like the tale of a man who scaled a 130-foot crane, sleepwalkers can perform complex actions completely asleep. How is this possible? The science might surprise you. Cooking meals, painting masterpieces, even driving long distances, the capabilities of a sleepwalking mind are astonishingly complex. Studies show sleepwalking stems from a mix of genetics, stress, and sleep deprivation. Yet each incident remains a personal mystery, a story untold. As dawn breaks, our night wanderers return with tales their conscious mind can never tell. What secrets do you unlock in your sleep? Have you ever experienced or witnessed a bizarre sleepwalking event? Share your stories in the comments below, and remember, the world of dreams is vast and unexplored. Who knows what mysteries you unravel in the silence of the night?